Hi friends. Welcome to my channel Tharik 7 star. Today's video topic is, how is YouTube making their SEO better? Ways to get more views on YouTube Shorts. Use relevant hashtags. Using correct and relevant hashtags on YouTube Shorts improves searchability and video visibility on the ranking page. Optimized hashtags significantly improve the performance of the shorts, thereby attracting more viewers. Using a hashtag will group keywords and related topics, which makes it easier for a viewer to find any video. Make attractive shorts. To make your YouTube shorts work well, you need to make attractive shorts with a name and added value. Use trending filters and songs to attract viewers. Follow a niche. Following niche is suggested to garner more views for videos and shorts. Categories such as lifestyle, fashion, travel, beauty, gaming, and others are greatly in demand. Know which niche your content falls into and make attractive videos. Give shorts enough time to perform. YouTube takes time to crawl your videos. As a content creator, you must give enough time for your videos to grow. After you post the shorts, monitor their performance and change the hashtags as per the trends on the platform. Reuse top performing topics. After posting many of them using different themes and subjects, analyze which type of shorts have worked well for your channel. Rescue the topics which have worked well differently. Tweak the style of shorts and use it differently in new one. The platform provides real views to its clients and helps them garner their real audience. Hi friends.